Hello out there, my name is Caitt and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY jewelry necklace slash bracelet holder. So what you're going to need is some twine and some of these clear command hooks. I left a link in the description below. I only had the command strips that are white, but in the package that you buy the clear command hooks with, they do come with a clear strip. Your first step is going to be to place one of your command hooks about where you would like it on one boundary side, and then take your twine and tie a little loop around the end. I find this easiest to do around a pencil because it gives you just the perfect size little circle. And of course double knot that for security. And snip off the end, but don't go too close to the circle. Leave a little bit of space. Then place that loop on the command hook that you already have measured out to one boundary. Measure out how far you would like your other boundary where the command hook is to be, and then tie a loop at the other end of the twine. Pull your twine as tight as you would like it to be. I had this on my wall when it was looser and it sagged a little bit more than I liked, so I pulled it pretty tight this time and then placed my command hook at the left boundary. Now I prefer just having the two command hooks on the ends, but you can also put one in the middle if you would like that extra support. Now you can start hanging your necklaces. All you do is unclasp the chain and then reclasp it around the twine. Now as you can see, this first necklace I have is very long, but luckily the bit where the key is, that little loop, comes undone, and I just opened it and put it around the twine. And I'm placing this necklace in the middle because it's going to be the shortest necklace that I have. And also it's a good transition from having my silver jewelry on the right side and my gold jewelry on the left side. And the next step is to start hanging the rest of your jewelry. I prefer to have the longest necklaces on the outside and the shortest on the inside, more towards the middle. And then any bracelets that I have that open, I also put those with the respective color closest to that center necklace, so closest to the middle.
We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing.
Now as you can see, I have another very long necklace, and this one does not unclasp at the bottom. So what I'm doing is putting it over the command hook and then pulling the chain up so that it's kind of like double looped around it, and the necklace becomes shorter. On that hook, I'm also placing any other jewelry that I have that does not come unclasped and cannot go around the loop and be taken off easily like the other necklaces and bracelets. These three bracelets on the silver side actually do come undone and could go around the twine, but I wanted to keep it symmetrical and have bracelets on the right side hook as well as the left side. And also the bracelets here help to cover the command hooks. And now for jewelry that doesn't really fit on the twine. I kept the jewelry boxes that they were packaged in, like this watch. I prefer to keep in its packaging. This jewelry box I filled with bracelets, and I tore up the stuffing that's in jewelry boxes sometimes and layered that in between these bracelets so that they would not clash together. In this next jewelry box, I have non-metal jewelry that is either too long or too bulky to fit on the twine. And I also like to keep the jewelry on the twine gold or silver, like metal colors. In this next little box, I have my earrings and my rings. And just a fill out that space more, I also have my blue light glasses and my everyday glasses in their cases. And as you can see, I placed them in the center of the display because that's where your bracelets are gonna go that are short, and that area underneath is empty. And now your jewelry display is complete. All you have to do to get your necklace is just to unclasp it from the twine, and you're gonna have to do that anyway to put it on yourself. So I just think it is the perfect way of storing your necklaces without them getting tangled. I previously had like a jewelry box that had the necklaces on a round hook spinny wheel, and they would get so tangled, and I was so tired of dealing with it that I donated it and just came up with this idea really quick, inspired by my wall of notes, which is also the same concept with the command hooks and the twine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload, and I will see you in 2 weeks with another new video. Bye!